Introducing GoPxL, LMI Technologies' 3D measurement and inspection platform. Aligning your sensor or sensor group is much easier in GoPxL using the alignment wizard. In this walkthrough, we will demonstrate how to perform a simple stationary alignment with a single sensor in GoPxL. Start by saving your job file. Navigate to the System category, then click on the Alignment page. We place a flat surface under the sensor before beginning alignment. Click the Align Sensor button to begin the alignment wizard. Here, we select Stationary Alignment since it is the simplest alignment method to get you started right away. Advanced alignment, such as aligning multiple sensors, may use a different alignment type. Select Flat. Click Next. Click Done when alignment is successfully completed. Your single sensor is aligned and ready to capture scan data. The Alignment Wizard in GoPxL makes sensor alignment easy and efficient and is one of the many features that improve usability and productivity. Welcome to GoPxL, LMI Technologies' measurement and inspection platform.